and they're closed. The best to get it to absolutely seals completely all the beads and around the edges to make sure they are going to completely cover. And then I seals all of the frame and the beads to prevent, not only to hold it to last longer, also it's prevent from getting tarnished. Like with all of the, you know, we're washing our hands a lot of cleanings, a lot of hand sanitizer. So we'll make sure that all the metal is trying to keep them really nice and protect and stay in the same without getting tarnished. And then, but we are not going to seals on the top of the crystal. We're going to seals right here on the edges. You feel scratchy, going to squeeze just a little bit, and little go a long way. You don't want to flood it. However, if you want to do more, just instead of one layer, and you need it extra more to seal it more, you can go ahead and key it for 30 seconds and go back and seals again to prevent from getting too much precision glue gel at the same time. It might flood your crystal and it might look lumpy, bumpy after you key it. So we are going to doing in this one as well. So I'm going to check right here in the middle of the crystal right here. You are going to check on the edges and the gap right there, and then seals all of the beads. I'm seal completely the beads and also the frame. Beads, 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 bead. And check around all the crystals. And again, I said if you need to go back again, you can definitely, I'm going to seal it completely here too, because of the crystal right here. We don't want to catching on the hair. And then also in this one, I'm going to put the big bead right here. Squeeze it in. Can I get my kids so I'm getting a big beads, one of the big beads? I love the kids because I can get the huge bead on it. Or maybe I should get the, no. I want the gloves. I want the, no. The big beads. Yeah. Thank you. I love this. It has like huge bead in here. You can see this is a big one. I want. You can using a bigger one if you prefer. So cute. I'm gonna seal it in and let it cure for 60 seconds. Seals in as well. Let it soak in there. Cure for 60 seconds.